Students, I have told you that the main object of electronic technology is to control the flow of electrons, that is number of electrons, and putting them into useful purposes. So first we have to gather and have some idea about the estimate of number of electrons in some devices, say conductors, semiconductors, all these things. So first I talk about conductors. In your laboratory you have seen copper wires, thin copper wires. I have taken a prototype example, say a copper wire of say 1 millimeter square cross section and a length of a part of the copper wire of 1 millimeter length. Wire is long, but we are taking in 1 millimeter length just to have an idea of the number of electrons per unit volume. Okay. Now, volume of this 1 millimeter copper wire with 1 millimeter length copper wire with 1 millimeter cross section is 1 millimeter square into 1 millimeter equal to 1 millimeter cube. That means 10 to the minus 3 meter whole cube, 10 to the minus 9 meter cube. Now, say take an example, 1 ampere current passes through an wire. So I is equal to 1 ampere. So 1 ampere means 1 coulomb per second. Okay. Now, 1 electronic charge, 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. So 1 coulomb of charge contains is actually, and 1 coulomb charge is an assembly of number of electrons of 1 by 1.6 10 to the minus 19. That is 0.6 into 10 to the power 19 electrons. So much electrons in 1 coulomb charge. A coulomb of charge is a very large amount and it contains almost 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. For 1 ampere current flowing through a conducting wire, 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons passes in 1 second through the cross-sectional area. If we take the drift velocity of electrons of 1 millimeter per second, then in 1 second the electrons occupy a volume of 1 millimeter square into 1 millimeter is equal to 1 millimeter cube. So 6.18 electrons are there in 1 millimeter cube. So 1 meter cube contains number of electrons in 1 meter cube is 6 into 18 into 10 to the 9 is equal to 6 into 10 to the 27. That means almost 10 to the power 28 electrons per meter cube. Okay. My device is not functioning well. It is troubling me. Okay. Then I will go to next video.